Hey guys, this is Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning, positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, today I'm just going to do maybe the first page of my December daily and show you how I'm going to be working on it. And show you some things that I pulled out of my stash that I'm going to be using. And I want to show you something real special to me. There is this young lady here on YouTube, and she has been such a sweetheart to me. Let me show you what she sent. Look at this card. Isn't that lovely? Oh my goodness. I got it in the mail and I was like, ah, look at there. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't know if you can see it really. It's probably better that you see it that way, but it sits up like this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. So I want to thank you, Miss Shipley, Miss Barbara, for a very beautiful card. And it is going to sit over here somewhere. I got to clean it up a little bit, but I'm going to sit it right over here on this desk. And this is where it will be at, as long as I can help it, the Christmas season. It's going to be right here. You may or may not be able to see it, but that's where it's going to be. Okay, so let's get into this. This is my December daily. This is the one I showed you guys before. I was going to start this one in 2018, but I did not touch it. I just did the front and back covers, and that was it. So I'm going to use it for 2019. And I've put in my base pages already. So it's just nothing but blank pages. Yeah, you know what it is. That's all. And I'm using this stack right here. What's left of it anyway is called Cranberry Christmas Noel, one of my favorite colors. This burgundy-ish maroon color, whatever this color is, this is one of my favorite colors. I don't wear a lot of red. Red is actually my favorite color, but I love this shade. So let me see, and I only have a few sheets left. All the pretty sheets, what I consider pretty sheets, are just about gone. I think I got just one. This one right here is what I have left over. Hold on just a second. Okay, I'm sorry about the interruption. That was my grandson. I remember telling y'all that I was going to use this cranberry stack. So we're going to do that. I found a few other things, like this is from leftover from a couple of years ago. And this is just if I'm having a problem with something to put on that day, then I can use something like this. And I do have prompts that I downloaded and printed that I use for the craft fair. I can also use for my December daily. And there's my December 2019 calendar right there. This is just a piece of paper that I'm going to use to back a picture that I'm going to show you guys. This picture right here, I don't know. Okay. A lady that I work with, she had this on, and I asked her, I said, what is that you have on? It smells divine. And then she sent me a picture. So this is what I want for Christmas. I haven't told my children yet, but this is what I want for Christmas. This YSL something. All I know is a YSL product. So that's what I want for Christmas. I found these gold doilies. And as you see, I've already cut one in half, so I'm going to use that half. I got these cutouts that's left of the entire paper stack, and I cut these out, you know, for the base pages, so I'll be using those if I need to. If I have to cut into them, that's fine. I got this one white piece of cardstock that I had been using as a scrap, so I'm gonna use that too. I got these countdown stickers. I think that's what these are. Stickers countdown. Yeah, 25. I got these at Target like 2 years ago, and I had one. I only bought two. So this was supposed to have been used for 2018. Of course, I didn't do it. So now I'm going to use it for 2019. I need to go to Target and see if they got more. I don't know. I haven't watched a lot of Target videos, so I don't know if they have them or not. And then I just pulled these few things. This is a clear sheet. Let me see. Do I have anything to back this on? And these are just some old stickers from Ain't No Telling When that I'll be using if I can. If, you know, if I can use them, I'm going to use them. And then here's some sticker sheets. Don't know where they came from. Let's see if there's a name on them. I don't know. There's 3 sticker sheets here. That one, here's one. Let's see, where's this one from? This one says Element Sticker Holly Jolly Christmas. That's what this one says. And does this one have a name on it? No. So those are some of the things I'm going to be pulling from. Let me move some of this out of the way. I'm up here throwing the camera thing around. Let me pull this and push this over here. Let me get this out of the way right quick. And over here, this is a box of ephemera, Christmas themed ephemera. And I was just going to pull out some things, but everything here is so super cute. I just can't pull out one thing. So I might have to dive into this one like before I do the spread and before I come on camera and just pull something out, because I won't be able to pick out anything real fast, because this whole little thing is kind of cute. That's why I kept the whole box out. So I'm going to be using that. And I got this. Of course, you see that my Tuesday morning sticker, $4.99. I actually bought this to be like a meatloaf thing, because I want to make some turkey meatloaf. And I don't have a loaf pan at all, and I've always wanted a glass one. I don't particularly care for the metal ones. I don't know, it's just something about metal and plastic. Even though I use plastic kind of, sort of, I don't like it, but I'll have to deal with it. But anyway, I got some cutouts. This is a cutout from another paper pad. I don't know which one. I found it on the floor. I dropped it in. And these right here, this is all the tags that I have, and it's one of each. So there are a lot of tags in here that I'm going to be using. I'm going to try and use anyway for my spreads, and you can't even see them all, but it's a lot of tags, and I only pulled out one of each type. And I got these little squishies right here that I may use. I just pull out one of each thing, so I can see if I'm going to like them or not. Okay, sorry about that again. That's my grandson. They want to watch cartoon. And, okay, so I got these things. Like I said, you know, polar bear, Santa Claus right here. And I cut some solid sheets, too. So, because, you know, most of the paper that I'm using is busy. So, any pictures will need to be backed on, I think, either a red or maybe a red or green, or what's that other color? Not maybe even silver, but something like a cream color. But I don't know. I have to see, because you know, who knows? Whichever way the wind blows, right? So these are the things that I'm going to be using. And here's my December daily. This is going to be day one. These two right here. I'm going to use the way that I'm going to have this. Each 2-page spread like this is going to be a day, and this will actually end on the 25th. So this will be Christmas Day, just like my last one. So let me see, let me grab a few things and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm only going to be doing day one, even though today is what, like the 4th, I think. So I'm going to pull this out, which is of course my cover, but it also starts day one. And I want to put this half of this doily right here. And I'm going to put my December on here. Like so. And I may put a one here, or I may just put it on this side. I may just put it on this side. So let's get this part done. Let's see. Come on. You know, it's always something when you want to go ahead on and get it done. See, there we go again. Oh, good. I see a pen at my disposal quickly, which is not one of the stainless steel pens. And they say they don't rust. That's a lie. Mine rusted. I'm just here to tell you. Not telling you what I think. I'm telling you what I know. Okay, so I'm just going to put some arch glitter glue around here and here, right there, and a little dab Dab, dab on these big pieces. Dab, 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 dab. And we're gonna put this down. Make sure it's the right way. And I'm just gonna push it all the way to the end, trying to center it, but not really. I really just want it on here. And if I manage to get it in the center, that's cool. If not, that's cool too. Okay, so that's what we got so far. Let me put that right there because I don't want that to dry out or whatever. Let me put this little pin back if I can get it in there. And with my luck, it's going to take too long because I can't see. Yep. Let me just grab it. And come on, thing. There you go. I got it. All right. So next, I'm just going to take my December 2019 sticker. Hold on just a sec. Let me push it down a little bit. Is that kind of odd? Maybe this is different because it looks kind of off to me. Hold on, let me see. Jeez, really? Okay. So I'm just gonna put it right here and hope for the best as far as it being straight. Okay, and that's actually half of my page 1, so I'm done with that. Let's get this in there. And then on this side, oh, I forgot, it's at the top. My book opens at the top up here. I am going to take a red sheet. Did I take one out already? Nope. I'm going to take one of the red ones that I have over here. And I'm actually going to back this because with this being as busy as it is and then the paper being busy, it'll get lost. You'll never see it. So let me see if I can get here. Let me see if I have any. If I have some tape left in here, I'm going to use my Xyron. See if I can, because I haven't used it in a while. Oh yeah, I got some in there. Got a little bit more. Okay. I hadn't used it since I made the December 2019 one. So let's take this off. And I'm just gonna try to get it on here kind of sort of straight. Like just to mat it kind of. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to cut it out with this thing because I can't cut straight. And I'm going to do this and hope for the best. Okay, this is okay. I'm not going to complain. There we go. Most definitely not going to complain. And I'll figure out somehow to put this, maybe something like that. Let me cut something else out. I'm gonna use this punch right here. I think this is a label punch. It's from EK Success. I'm just gonna punch out one label. And do I even have a pen up here? Yeah, I got a pen. Okay, and I'm gonna try to do this. Let me find something. Let's see. I just want a straight edge. So I'm gonna fold this. I'm just gonna fold this paper right here to make a straight edge. And I'm gonna see if I can't write like what I want for Christmas. Because my handwriting is atrocious right now. Until I learn how to do some lettering, I'm going to learn that stuff too. It is so cute to me. Okay, what I want for Christmas. There we go. Mom, how about that? So if they see it, they know it's from me. I know. All right. So let's see. I'm gonna put it like that. So that's the top of the bottle there. I'm gonna put this here, like kind of like this, on the bottom here. That's there. Let's see. Maybe I cannot do it that way. And then where's number one? Number one. So number one is here with some green in it, and it's gonna go right here. Should I put it right there? No, that's overload, so we'll put it right here. Number one. Where's my? Let me see if I can run these through the Xyron and just make stickers out of them. And let that be it. Let's see. Put this through there too. Put my little label through there. There we go. I'm going to put this down first because I may want to put my label on top. Okay, I hope this is the right way. There we go. And right here. Yep, that works. I like that. There we go. And this will be day one of my December daily. It's what I want for Christmas, Mom. So where's my book? It's right here. And I didn't use any of the other stuff. This was just very simple. Okay, here we go. What's today anyway? Today is the 4th. I think, yeah. Today is the 4th. But this is my first spread of my 2019 December daily. This is day one. It's what I want for Christmas. Whatever this YSL is right here, this is what I want for Christmas. That's what I'm telling my children. That's what I want. And this is day one. So that is it, my dear friends. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, little bugs.